The LG P20 is here, and today I'm going to be video about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S21 Plus is not ever prepaid. It's available now in three colors that are Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Violet. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's $999.99 new contract. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. So this is the phone looks like. Looks like the Galaxy S21, of course. Yeah, so a whole portrait from this camera. Power and back keys on the right side of the phone. So yeah, there's the front back. There's the front and back of the Galaxy S21 Plus right there. There's the front. Left side you have nothing. Back. What between cameras, camera flash, Samsung logo. So you have three cameras in the back, camera flash, and the Samsung logo, right? The right side right now have your power and volume keys. And there's the front of it again, right? So the Galaxy S21 Plus has 12 days of standby time, 28.71 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel rear camera in the back, 2.97 inches in width, 6.36 inches in height. Alright. This is introducing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, the ultimate super special smartphone with 5G with 5G ultra wideband speeds. Level up your photos and videos with a multi-lens camera featuring daytime spacing, a 64 megapixel high resolution, and head-turning 8K video. Similar quality features like vlogger video lets you seamlessly record the front and back cameras, and Direct-to-G helps you adjust angles in real time like a pro. All of your favorite content comes to life on the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh display, and that makes scrolling feel faster and smoother while being easy on the eyes. And with a sleek design, hyper-fast processing, and a battery that won't quit before you do, you can create, share, and do more of what you love. Experience the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G has to offer on Verizon now with the cover of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. Alright? So, yeah. For the film, so, it's basically a carbon copy of the Galaxy S21, basically, right? Says for the filmmaker, record our voice moments and super smooth 8K video. Turn your phone into a movie studio or let the city be background with similar quality features like 24 frames per second. You capture. Use a water to shoot videos using the front and back cameras simultaneously. Switch angles as you go with Direct-to-G and enable Single take AI to create several adjustments and more. A camera so good everyone's says capture and share detailed portraits, stunning landscape, and crisp close-up with easy-to-use camera system equipped with a 64 megapixel high-resolution camera, ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera, and front-facing 10 megapixel camera, and with daytime tracing and zoom look vision lock, you can magnify your detail of an object or capture or capture long distance shots while keeping your subject centered in focus. Plus, single take AI transfer common restrictions on said single take AI transform common restrictions on of photo and video editing so you can capture all those moments in one single take. Says all-day power. With an all-day intelligent battery, you can stream, share, and more without missing a beat. The 4800 mAh battery, the 4800 mAh smart battery powers up in more than 50% turns in just 30 minutes and adapts to usage habits and conserves energy so you can peak performance all day and night. All the speed of life. Transform how you share, live stream, and transform how you share, live stream, edit, and multitask with hyper-fast processing speeds. Faster processing power and graphic rendering gives you a supercomputer right in the palm of your hands. Stream of your memories. Share all your memories without being share all your memories without slowing down, and you can keep those memories high quality photos and videos with tons of storage from 128 gig to 256 gig. 5G speeds. Share, watch, and play in the flash experience ultra fast and ultra low latency. Verizon's 5G ultra wideband will stream HD content with very low suffering, with very low buffering, game with minimal lag, and get more done faster. A display to be high standards to 6.7 Full plus dynamic AMOLED display offers a brighter, richer, and smoother viewing experience. Low upscale game with the adaptive 120 Hz rate display that makes it scrolling feel faster than before. Intelligent blue light sensors, retinally intelligent blue light sensors naturally adapt to help minimize eye strain and discomfort so you can watch and play for longer. Warning. Phone may warning calls. Says warning may cause phone envy. Designed with all the new seamless metal camera and modern added finishes and ultra tough glass, the Galaxy S21 5G is a head turner. Choose the color that fits your vibe and Just choose your color, and it is your vibrant with says choose the color that fits your vibe for a smartphone and looks as good as it performs, right? So yeah. So the Galaxy S21 basically same kind of a big bag in what it's front, right? So it's a mobile device which allows you to use in over 200 countries depending on the plan you guys have. So you guys want to come to Verizon and ask. You guys have 12 days to save that time. 28.7 hours of usage time there. 64 megapixel rear camera, back 10 megapixel front facing camera. The phone height is 6.36 inches. The width is 0.31 inches. Depth. The depth is 0.31 inches. The width is 2.97 inches in height. The phone weighs 7.12 ounces, so this one is a bit hefty. Let's scroll down to more. So the Galaxy S21 Plus, 6.7 inches Full HD Plus, it's 1080 by 2400, diamond AMOLED, 394 ppi, battery 4800 milliamps, Android 11 with 1 UI 3.0, camera, couple networks, 40 networks, processors, network 888, octa-core, voice assistant, Samsung Galaxy and Google Assistant. And also, as a voice, of course, it says, it says, it expands as a voice, calling, and video. What was that? 6.7 inches, 4K plus, it's 1080 by 2400 pixels, 4800 mAh battery, Android 11 with 3.9, storage 128, 256 gigabytes of it. That's it. And you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 8. Handmade global networks, 4G, 5G processor, Samsung 888, octa-core, Google Assistant, and Bixby. It also has Wi-Fi. It also has AC voice, which lets you use Wi-Fi to make phone calls. So it's essentially expands AC voice and video calling. Simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys know which is Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphone, Verizon actually covered up with that, so since the Verizon will support helps you better understand the Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So when it comes to the devices, it's Samsung Galaxy S21 prepaid smartphone, depends on SIM card, data capable Type-C to Type-C, quick reference guide, 10 different editions, alright. So there is no charging back in the box, so you have to either buy one or buy one for this. So go back to the hub here. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. Is not Verizon Prepaid, but now for a set for $999.99, no contracts of course. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys, man, a whole lot. Peace, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.